Hi friends, welcome to Dil Se Korea. I hope you all are doing well. Although I'm not that well because I have cold, you must be able to get that from my voice. But it was really important to make this video as the new batch of K Influencer Academy 2025 is here. The forms are open. If you already know what K Influencer Academy is, you can go and fill out the form. And if you don't, you can watch this video. I have already explained what K Influencer Academy is, and in this video we will be mostly focusing on the questions I got when I asked what you want to know about K Influencer Academy or anything related to the Google form. So mostly I got questions regarding the Google form asking how to make the operation plan, how to make the proposal. Without further ado, let's get right into it. But first, I'll answer some of the basic questions regarding what is K Influencer Academy.
So you want to be a K influencer, the next ambassador of Korean culture. If you like K-dramas, K-pop, K-beauty and fashion or any aspect of Korea, and want to become a YouTuber, this is the right place to begin your journey.
Most important, the duration of application is till 9th of April. And the result will be announced on 16th of April, and the batch will start from May. So this is the timeline. Next, we have an announcement that K Influencer Academy has opened their official Instagram, and that is being reflected right now on the screen. And I've also shared their email ID and the YouTube channel. What are the rewards that we will be getting? A 10-day free trip to Korea for 5 people. Those lucky 5 people will be getting a free trip to Korea fully funded. Can you believe it? Isn't it amazing? And financial support would be given if you do tremendous, absolutely amazing work, and professional consulting to grow your channel will also be given. So it is a very nice opportunity. Now, the most asked question, that was how to fill the proposal. I have made a sample proposal because it's clearly written in the form that plagiarism will lead to consequences. You won't be selected for the K Influencer Academy if there is any kind of plagiarism. If you copy my response, then we both won't be able to get into the academy. So I am not sharing my response, but I have taken the help of a channel and I'll align it with the template that we have been given to fill. The channel I have taken is HopeScope. It is related to fashion, unboxing, testing viral products, and the template is here. We will be aligning and understanding how it can fit into this form. So I'll go step by step. Here I'll be showing step by step what's to be written in which blank. First of all, you already know your channel's name. You know who will be the director. If you're a team, you will write the director's name. If it is managed personally by you, then you'll write your name. So the first one is content strategy. In the content strategy, you can write the niche. What is your target audience basically? So the audience who watch HopeScope are young girls, adults who like fashion reviews, mystery boxes, luxury unboxing, viral products testing. So this will come under the content strategy. Then comes the genre. The genre of HopeScope's channel is fun, engaging, curiosity hooks are there, and full of mystery, and audience love that kind of content. Next one is the target audience. Target audience is youth who enjoy TikTok and Instagram products, and those who are fashion enthusiasts. Next is the branding of the channel. Her channel's branding is somewhat like aesthetic, bold, exaggerated, too much pink. If you've watched her channel, there's too much glam and pink everywhere because she loves pink. Then it is curiosity driven, it is relatable, it is energetic. So this is the branding. You can also tell what you will be writing in the description of your channel. You can also tell how you would be making your thumbnails, how you'll be making your logos. how you will cross post on different social media platforms. Then, very easy, the upload schedule. You can tell when you will be uploading, how much you will be uploading. So, for example, she uploads 1 to 2 long form videos every week and short form videos every alternate days. For engagement, she also uses TikTok, Reels, etc., other social media platforms. And the filming setup can also be explained. In the growth strategy, you will be telling how much you want to grow, how many subscribers you want to gain. You can also tell how many monthly viewers you want to achieve. So this would be written in the growth strategy. And how you will be achieving that, what kind of secret tools you will be using to do that would also be written over here. If you know any kind of digital marketing, you can use your knowledge and tell everything about it in this section. Taking the example of HopeScope again, her strategy is using trendy content. Like some years back, slimes were trending, so slimes were the trendy content that she used. Then you can go live, engage with the community. Community building is very important, and she arranged giveaways, and her multiple platform presence led her to succeed in her social media game. So this is the growth strategy. So that's all. These are all the important things. These are all the things you can write in these particular sections. I hope you understand. Still, if you have any questions, any queries, you can go in the comment section. Ask me right now. There's plenty of time to fill the forms. Don't worry, you will be able to do it perfectly. And I hope you get selected. I hope we get selected. Fingers crossed. And please reach out to me and let's build a nice community. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram. You can talk to me on Instagram as well. I'm available there. I can talk to you and I can clarify all the doubts you have. So that's it for today. Girl, you forgot something very important. I have received my K button. It is here. For real, it is here. Feels so good. I won last year's K Influencer Academy and this is my award. Last year, the channel's name was My K Ocean. I changed it to Dil Se Korea, but it will always remain in my heart. I got something for my hard work. So I am very happy. Now, finally, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Let's do it. K Influencer Academy 2025. We are here. Annyeong.